Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable end-to-end encryption on Discord calls. So it's a very simple thing, as Discord already enabled end-to-end encryption on all voice calls, as you can see right over here. So if you click on your Discord server while you're connected in a call, which you can see, you'll find this end-to-end encrypted. Now, go to the privacy section and over here you will have these codes that you have to copy and paste with your friend that is inside the server or in a call in order to actually verify the encryption. Now, the only thing that you can enable or disable is the verification mode. So click on the user settings option. Now go to data and privacy. Over here, scroll down to the very bottom, and over here you will have the option of enable verification code. Now, if you enable this option, your friend or whoever is on your call have to only verify once, and then they won't have to verify for the encryption. So now all you have to do is click on reconnect, and you will be reconnected to the call with this option enabled. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.